Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Alpha Elementary School, home of the Gators in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District, and just had 3 student assemblies this morning and afternoon here at the school. My first visit to their campus right here in the cafeteria. Very, very special day. Got to reach a lot of hearts, touch a lot of lives. There was a lot of really great feedback from some of the students, especially, that kind of just reached out afterwards and talked about some of the pain that they've gone through or are currently going through, but knowing that we can always turn our pain into greatness, right? Turn that hurt into kindness. And a big thing that I push for this bullying assembly, a big reason why it happens is because hurt people, right? If those hurt people are ourselves, then we could actually be hurting ourselves, because if you think negatively about who you are, well, then that hurts your heart. But even worse of it, you can potentially push that pain on someone else by how we treat them poorly, and we keep seeing that too often in the news. So while it is true that hurt people, it's also true that heal people heal people. And we always have that choice, right, to uplift or to tear down. And our heart being as big as our fist, and the sub-theme of this assembly being look at the heart first, right? That our heart is big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this, right, peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself. But it's also 2, because in just 2 seconds, 1 breath, 1 heartbeat, 1 word, 1 action, 2 seconds, we can either say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, something so negative that stays on their heart in a very hurtful way for the rest of their life, right? And knowing that we can be conscious of our actions, knowing that we have this power to either build up or to bring down, we know that we have to be all in for this planet, be that change that Gandhi's talked about, knowing that the time is right to always do right, which Dr. King has also focused on, celebrating his day a couple weeks ago. But again, just so inspiring to me to see a lot of students that were really all ears, all eyes, all heart today, wanting to learn more about what it means to be kind, what it means to be peaceful. And so through a series of motivational videos, some inspirational music, and just really sharing my heart, it's how I was able to relate to them, and they really took it to heart. And I know that it's so powerful as well, because this really does tie into what they preach here at Alpha, which is their 3 key principles of respectful, responsible, and ready to learn. And really, I would say today's ties more into the respectful side, right? Because when we're talking about trying to not only have the self-respect, but to give it to others, that's what this program really focused on, right? And knowing that all of us are an important piece to that, right? That we can be a best friend to others. We can show that love despite what we've been through, going through, or will go through, and just always keep choosing kindness. So thanks, touched my heart. It was great to see all of you today. Hope to be back again in the future. Have a great rest of the school year. And until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.